We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new IP broadband service. This is the final of 3 short videos that AT&T has created to help you understand the installation process of your new service. This video will focus on what happens after your installation has completed. After the AT&T technician has tested your new service and completed the installation, the person you have designated as the main contact for your account will receive an account registration complete email confirming that the service has been successfully installed. While the billing starts immediately upon installation, the billing cycle for your service starts the day after installation, and the service is billed in advance. So, for example, if your service is installed on the 2nd day of the month, your bill date would be the 3rd. You will receive your first bill about 1.5 weeks after the service installs, and it will generally cover the month's service plus 1 day prorated. While the day following installation will be your normal billing date each month, we can change that date if you request it. Your first bill will likely also have included an associated $99 installation fee. If you selected the $100 Visa gift card when you ordered the service, you will receive an email update with a link to the website where you can claim your gift card. The card is available 60 days after your installation. Payment is due approximately 21 days after your bill has been issued. You can make payments online at My AT&T, via U.S. mail, or with an agent over the phone via credit card, bank draft, or paper check. There is a $5 service fee if you pay via an agent. We would be happy to explain your bill when you receive it. Simply call AT&T Customer Care at 800-321-2000. Make sure to have your billing account number or BAN and your 4-digit PIN code available when you call. We do have other ways to verify you are authorized to represent your account if necessary. An agent will cheerfully answer all your questions. If you need any kind of post-installation support down the road for billing questions or disputes or questions about your service, you can call that same customer care number and follow the relevant prompts. If at some point you have service or maintenance issues, please call 855-920-0146 for AT&T technical support. You can also get help by using the account management functions on the My AT&T app or at att.com/my. And again, don't hesitate to reach out to the AT&T team with any questions you may have. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.